This video is brought to you by Team the Traveler Game. It's a cool ultimate puzzle game designed with high-end 2D graphics. And I'm pretty sure you will definitely love this game. So download it now and enjoy. Link in the description down below. This is the Suntop Anti-theft backpack with USB charging port. The latest trend in backpacks. So what's up guys, Femil here, and today let's unbox and review this incredible backpack by Suntop. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, I got this backpack from Amazon, and inside the package we get the Suntop Anti-theft backpack itself. A lot of companies are copying this kind of anti-theft model and producing cheap quality products, but this one called TechBob offered by the Suntop bags is best in quality. I have seen other products offered by the Suntop bags, and I can say that they are mainly focused on quality with honest price. The build quality of this bag is extremely superb and the material looks premium, and it is made up of a water repellent fabric, and there is a reflector on the front side for safe night traveling. Okay, the two main highlights of this tech bag is the anti-theft feature and the USB charging feature. So coming to the anti-theft feature, no one has access to the inside of this backpack because the zipper is hidden towards the inside. And talking about the zipper, it is so smooth and good in quality. And inside we have various compartments to store most of our tech gadgets or laptop or anything you want. Also there is a small pocket on the shoulder strap so you can keep your money on it for quick access. Okay, when it comes to the USB charging feature, there is a USB port on the outer side of this backpack, and we can see a USB cable inside. So what you have to do is just connect a power bank with this cable and keep the power bank inside this backpack and connect your phone with any charging cable. So you can charge your phone easily without holding the power bank on your hands. It's a nice feature. And the 3 airflow padding on the backside gives you good comfort while using this backpack. So that's it for this video. And if you guys want to read more about this product, simply visit my website fmjtech.com. With that being said, my name is Vimil and I will catch you in the next video.